Hey Maya, so I figured out how to write a compound inequality as an absolute value inequality. So usually you're given your compound inequality in this form. X is in between some A and some B value. So ultimately when we're thinking about absolute value, that means that they are equidistant from zero, but now we're trying to figure out what are these two values equidistant from. They are equidistant from their midpoint. So in order to find the midpoint, you add these two values and divide by 2. Then what you can do is start to create a compound inequality where x minus your endpoint or midpoint equals a minus your midpoint equals b minus your midpoint. All I did was subtract m from each of these sides. And what should happen is that these two should become opposites of one another. This one should be positive and this one should be negative. So then your final step would be, well, then the absolute value of x minus my midpoint has to be less than or equal to the positive half, my b minus my midpoint. So let's try an example from your assignment next.